In this video, we're going to have a look at the teaching assistant, the teacher guide, that's embedded inside the computational thinking projects of the WeDo app. Let's have a look. So here I am inside WeDo 2.0, and as you can see, I've started a new project. There's a subtle difference in the content of the science projects and the computational thinking projects, and that is the inclusion of a teacher assistant inside the computational thinking projects. So if I just open one of these, and I'm going to choose Moonbase, you can see at the bottom of this pop-up menu that there is the teacher assistant. And if I just tap that, that takes me into my teacher guide. This is embedded inside the project. So you can see that it lists the type of project, the types of computational thinking that we want the students to develop, and working our way down, you can see there's programming principles and other curriculum links. So as well as computing, we've got the links to science there, we've got the links to design and technology. Also some guidance on timings of the project. So if I hit go, that launches our project, and again in the bottom left corner there's a little eye. Tapping that will bring up the appropriate teaching assistant for that particular stage of the project. So this is not something that the students are necessarily going to use. This is for you as teachers to get the most out of these projects as the students are working their way through. So we've got things like group discussion questions, how to set the scene, and again relating everything back to those computational thinking skills at each stage of the project. And you can see here as well, we've got guidance and advice on assessment for this particular stage. As we work our way through, this is the create stage now, the teaching assistant will change once again. And it's just giving you as a teacher that background information so you can help the students along so they get the most out of the product. We're now in Create, in the programming aspect of this project, and our teaching assistant has now moved up here. So we've got some coding guidance for the teacher, again related back to computational thinking skills, but just gives you some suggestions there about the type of programming that the students might do. Into our test phase, and again lots and lots of guidance and lots of help. At the end of the test phase here, we've got some differentiation opportunities and again suggestions for collaboration. And into share, there's some top tips for using the documentation tool. And finally, more assessment opportunities. So you can see that at every stage of these computational thinking projects, no matter if they're guided or open projects, there is always teacher guides, teaching assistants there to help you along the way.